Though Drishti has a team of 600 lifeguards, at any time 400 lifeguards is what works on the ground, and some are in the night shifts and some are in the night shifts and some are off as well. So the full crew complement is 620. On an average, we deploy 400 boys across the 103 kilometer stretch of Goa. Today we are operating with 270, 280 people. Yeah, so that's around 70%. 70% of the crew is working on the ground. The boys have been coming in stages. In the first few days, only 1-2 boys started coming in. But today we're delighted to see close to 55 boys have reported duties saying that they would like to join back. Most of the crew that has coming back on board is from Konkani area, from Gaudogri, from Kotigaon, those areas, those villages, and Agonda and Kola beaches. They come from that side. From the north, again, we were delighted to see people coming out from Sankali area. These are the boys who start coming back. But left is now Valpoi, Bicholi, and Ugia villages, which is in Pernem. These three villages, the boys are not yet coming back to work.
Okay, out of 600 you are talking.
That's right, yes.
Okay.
So basically working with 330, 340 boys on the beach. Well, you are a family, come back. You made a mistake, but the doors are open, come back. Come back to work. As an employer, it's always our desire, wish and ethical obligation to provide salary on time. But at times we ran into financial constraints, and that's why the salaries got delayed. But otherwise, they'll go out before the 10th anyway. We've been doing lifeguarding services 11 years, with the track record of providing salaries on time. This has been an exceptionally unusual situation. If they want me there, I'll be more than happy to come and meet them. They're like family to us. I'll be happy to be there. However, I will not meet anybody outside the family. I'm happy to meet our boys, but they don't have any designated leaders, and we will not encourage discussing with third party what is an internal problem.
लायफगार्ड कॅप्टन पद कमीत कमी पदवी शिक्षिताकूच दिवपाचे म्हूण दृष्टीचो निर्णय जाला.
At the moment, we just put out the advertisements for captains to start manning our towers. We are doing a phased manner recruitment again, but this time the captain levels and supervisory levels will be with more educated people so they can handle more high-tech equipment. We would like to give preference and to Goans who are based in Goa, the youth from Goa, to come and work in this young enterprise.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट स्वप्नील तारी.